Chuck from Chesterfield, Missouri, has a question about humidity control.
He just built a 2-story. That's near St. Louis, by the way.
Okay,
in case you didn't know.
The arch.
I got a map I could show me, but get it?
Yeah.
All right. Chuck writes, we're seeing and feeling humidity in the 58 to 65% range up on the second floor. And when you go up the stairs, it's like where they have a 13-SEER unit on the second floor, it's like, boom, you get hit with that thick air about halfway up. The builder sent out the AC company, and you know what they did? They added some refrigerant.
Okay.
And they lowered...
Maybe it needed it, but that's not going to help this.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. They then lowered the second floor AC speed. It helped the unit maintain the temperature, but not the humidity problem. And Tom, Chuck wants your advice. What can they do to lower this humidity?
Well, humidity... Water goes to the hotter air. Second floor is going to have the hotter air, so it's going upstairs. Now, there's a couple of things that I can't ask Chuck, but I suspect the biggest problem is he's running his fan speed on the on position and not the automatic.
No.
And that's done quite a bit across the country, and it's bad news when it comes to humidity control. So let's start with the coil. You need about a 25-degree drop across the evaporator coil.
The coil would be toiling to do that, right. Yes.
And that way it'll squeeze all the water out of the air. But if you run that fan motor when it's not cycling, it picks that water up and dumps it back into the house. So number one is make sure that the auto speed is what you use, not the on speed for your fan. So that could be number one. The other thing is how your house is insulated. If you have a lot of foam insulated in the attic and your attic is not breathing properly, you have a humidity problem, and that has to be addressed with a mechanical dehumidifier. And that's why a lot of the people with these new foamed up houses are having this problem, because they don't have the proper equipment to handle the problem that is caused by the way the houses are so tight.
They're just so tight that the moisture
it has nowhere to go.
It's trapped. Okay.
Yeah, it just keeps recycling. It's like a cloud, and then rain, and then a cloud.
It's like living in an
doesn't
igloo,
go anywhere.
It's like living in an igloo cooler,
or even a terrarium,
or an Arctic.
Yeah, maybe we all do live in a terrarium.
Right.
We don't know. Anyway, those are the couple of things I would check. The drop across the coil. Don't run your fan speed on. Make sure it's on automatic. And if you have a really heavy insulated foam home where the attic is sealed up, you're going to have to add a dehumidifier, which might be your only option.
Sorry.
It's in Missouri. We're in Houston. That's humidity, baby.
Humidity. Get out of here.
Yeah.
All right. But don't get out of here. Send us your question. Your home improvement help is what you get from us. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com. You can check our videos and subscribe to our channel.